because Ishq Vishk Rebound is a rom-com film, I will give you one-liner plots of previous rom-com films. You have to guess.
Come on!
We can do
I'm
it.
ready to win.
We can do it.
Let's go.
We can do it. Come on.
Okay. Good luck to you all.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, सबसे पहले, two thugs competing for the affections of a rich girl inadvertently become her protectors from an evil criminal.
Like every Bollywood film.
Gunde.
No. Dostana.
Shole
No,
nahi hai.
no. Say it again.
Can you repeat?
Yes.
क्या?
How are they thugs?
Where?
What? They are not thugs, but
They are. They were.
You are right.
They were thugs.
Acha, okay.
Acha,
The
you
point
are
goes to
naughty.
the girls because we said Andaz
Okay.
apna.
okay.
did
Nobody
not
said
just
0
said it.
points. 0 points.
Okay, hear this one out. A cartoonist.
हम तुम.
I will
Come on. Yes.
Statement.
Did you
Too
by
bad.
any chance see my card?
No, cartoonist. How many cartoonist films? Very nice.
Okay.
Okay.
So boys won. We'll do it.
Girls,
Yeah.
We'll do
0.
it.
One
Okay, fine.
Okay. A beautiful radio disc jockey innocently.
Salam namaste. He started singing. He started singing. We get the point.
I said it.
Finish.
Okay, let me finish the
finish.
question.
I'm not eating.
Okay, a beautiful radio disc jockey innocently believes that her thug boyfriend is a history
Munna
professor.
bhai. MB.
लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई. Good job. लगे रहो मुन्ना
That's
भाई.
not fair.
You said
That's
it's
not
a
fair.
MBBS.
That's not fair.
Munna
Look,
They are
he
two
missed
different
one
parts.
thing.
They're two different
He
films.
knows.
This is like saying Ishq Vishk and Ishq
no,
Vishk Rebound is the
no.
same. No.
Guys, now I am in a soup kiss.
Girls agree.
Look
bhai,
at
Girls
that.
agree.
She's saying we.
Munna bhai.
It is
सही बोला ना?
franchise, right?
लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई. No, correct. No.
No.
The
It's for the
point
girls.
goes to the girls.
Yeah.
Because they said
Come
Munna
on,
Bhai and
Rohit.
Dad gave you
Don't
all
be
a
like
एक
that.
सेकंड. I feel यहाँ पे ये bias है.
Point five.
No.
Point
Then
five,
give me
point five.
Andaz
It's
apna
biased.
apna.
No.
If
I will
said giving
not
him.
move ahead in
Yes,
this game.
Rohit is damn
She's being
competitive
biased.
and
She's
Rohit
being
is
I
biased
will
in
not
this
lie.
round.
I even am damn
So
competitive.
that way, I said Andaz apna. We should get
Nobody
that
heard
now.
Andaz Nobody heard
I
that.
told it to her.
No.
Come on. Out of all the.
Point five.
No, that's not fair, guys. You want to win unfairly, then win.
Yeah, I want to win. By hook or crook.
A heartbroken business tycoon on the verge of
Jabin it.
committing suicide. Yes. Yes. Good. A middle-class boy wants to pursue his career with a music group despite his dad's disapproval. He is also in love with the lead singer, but he sees.
No, sir. No. Wait.
But she just sees him as a friend. No. No. Okay, I'll repeat.
Ashikidu.
No.
Guys, it's a group.
I'll repeat.
I said
I'll
rock on.
repeat.
It's not rock on.
No, it's not rock on. I'll repeat. A middle-class boy wants to pursue his career with a music group despite his dad's disapproval. He is also in love with the lead singer of that musical group, but she only
London
sees
Dreams.
him as a friend.
London Dreams.
No.
Give.
90s. 90s की movie है. That's your hint.
Beats. It's not. थोड़ा और hint.
What is
थोड़ा
it?
और.
90s का movie है. And उसका पोस्टर भी लगा हुआ है इधर. वो एक्टर.
कभी यहाँ.
Yes!
Yes.
He's gone.
Nice.
Taken the answer.
Nice.
And come back.
Go now. This office is your playground. Go to whoever
Guys,
you want to.
okay,
No.
girls, you can go to people and ask.
Wait a second. I want my Lage Raho Munna
So
bhai.
then I want my Andaz
I want-
apna. You have to give me Andaz apna.
No,
So I said it.
No.
No.
Le.
Guys, I'm gonna fail.
Image. See, ask him. He's saying I said it. So I get that point.
Continue.
We're three.
We won, Rohit. We won.
3-2.
No, I said continue.
Guys, y'all can take help from the office staff.
Okay, fine.
मैं
Okay.
आती हूँ, हाँ? मैं next हूँ.
हाँ.
Bhagna, हाँ, Naila?
Yeah.
Two youngsters start a wedding planning enterprise.
I said it first.
I can do the dance step also.
Even I can do it.
I love you too.
No. It's me.
A man and a woman woman come from two very different cultural backgrounds.
Me.
2 states.
Yes.
Are, but it was
No,
me
no,
who
give it
raised
to
the
them.
hand.
Give it to them.
ले लो इसको point दे दो
दे
इसको
दो,
point
दे दो,
दे
दे
दो
दो.
दे दो point दे दो
Oh,
point दे
this
दो
is a game you're gonna play now. De do.
take
wala.
it take it
Your
If they
Bye,
win,
bye,
I'll
bye.
take-
your hand is not only going up. Your hand is only.
no I want you all to have all the points.
Rahul Joshi wants to be a successful businessman, so he works hard for his employer. He even compromises on his love for an upcoming model because of his employer.
I know. I'm forgetting the name.
हाँ,
Guys,
तुम
raise
आगे
hands,
भर
raise
लो.
hands. Guys, all can help. Y'all can help. Come and just tell them. Rahul Joshi wants to be a successful businessman, so he works very hard for his employer. He even
Rocket Singh,
compromises.
Rocket Singh,
Rocket Singh.
That's wrong.
ए यार तुम लोग
That's wrong.
आपको पता है ये
By the way, his name is
भावेश
Rahul.
जोशी.
His name is Rahul.
भावेश जोशी.
No,
Rahul Joshi.
not Bhavesh
Rahul
Joshi.
just repeated Rahul.
कौन है
Joshi.
राहुल जोशी?
Okay, I repeat my
Just stop
question.
it. Just stop it.
What is it?
Rahul
What is
Joshi.
it?
Rahul Joshi.
Rahul Joshi wants to be a guys. No taking help of Google.
Rahul Joshi
No.
wants to be a.
Successful businessman.
बहुत ही flop
So he
picture है.
works-
Sorry.
Don't say that.
It's a Salman Khan film, no?
मैंने प्यार क्यों किया?
No, don't say give it. This
Model.
guy.
Okay. I will
Don't
repeat
give
my
him any
question. Please hear me out.
Rohit.
Rahul Joshi wants to be a successful businessman, so he works very hard for his employer. To an extent that he compromises on his love.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, we got it.
Yes, boss. Too bad. You were not
Yes, boss.
Yes, boss.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Who is in it?
Yes,
Guys, the girls get the point because
bro.
इन्होंने बोला था.
Yes.
The girls
I
win
love
this
you.
fair and square.
Yes.
We're the
I love
losers. We do not want to go for the last round.
Yeah,
Now that's it.
agree.
Fine. Go to
This is
the
wrong.
Now ask
This
the
is
last
wrong.
question.
One
Right,
second.
no, it's
So
fine.
what if she
Let
wanted to
him
tell
move
the
in.
girls? We heard it. We said it first.
I was saying yes, boss. You were so loud.
Yeah, your Lagero also you all took away
Please,
from
रहने
us.
दो. रहने दो.
No, लगे रहो हमने
We are damn
काट दिया
competitive,
side
huh,
में.
guys. Don't mind. Sorry.
A school dropout hesitantly marries an educated but overweight girl. However, the so the boys win.
Oh.
Okay, fine. Whatever. I'm
How
okay.
did that happen?
Okay, guys, we have one more game after this.
It's no.
Oh God, I don't know.
Again, it'll be something like make a loud sound.
The boys
and-
won, please.
Hey, come on, bro.
How much are crying?
It's fine.